Good evening, everyone. I am Salman. I am here to explain about our project water monitoring system. Before I start, I will explain the circuit explanation. We use like the circuit diagram has a main project design. This circuit diagram shows how the components work together. This showing the components of working individually, everyone having its individual work and having its function. Let's me talk about the main component of the our project is ESP32, the main microcontroller which dictate which implements we implemented the code. It is only one who signals who accepts all the work and take the control of the our project. Next comes the ultrasonic sensor. It sends the level of our water and it measures the water level in our project. It is very helpful for the detection detecting the water level. And also we uses the OLED display. It shows the real time water level. It does not means it shows the real time water level. It's maybe 0.96 inches the size of our display. And also we uses the power supply to the microcontroller. It is 5V USB. And no relay model and no pump are used because we are using the small scale industry project, so we do not need relay and the pump for this project. So next PPT presentation will be given by my friend Yes Samir. Mike Sayed, Mike.
Hello everyone, I am Samir. I am explaining the wiring layout overview. Please put the PPT. Let's slide. Yes, thank you. Wiring layout overview. We will show the connection of our project we have taken in the this project. Ultrasonic sensors and ESP32 and OLED display. First, I will show you the connection of the ultrasonic sensors to the ESP32. VCC connected to the 5-volt battery of the ESP32. Then the GND connection to the GND of the ESP32. GND is the points pins which are present on the sensors. TRING ESP32 GIPO pin. Echo is connected to the ESP32 GPU. This slide shows how the ultrasonic sensors and the OLED display are connected to the ESP32. The ultrasonic sensors uses 4 pins, VCC to the 5-volt battery, GND to the ground, then the TRING is connected to the GPU. Like the same, Echo is connected to the GIPO. Then the OLED display uses the 112C interfaces. So it's the SDA connected to the ESP32 SDA. Then the SCL is connected to the ESP32 of SCL. Then the VCC connected to the 3.2 volt or 5 volts of the ESP32 OLED display battery. END connected to the END. And this wiring allows the ESP32 to read the water level from the sensors and show it on the OLED display. Both the components are the same VCC and the GND. Next slide. Please put the next slide. Huh. Components use ESP32, which is the ESP32, which is the brain of our project, is also called as a microcontroller, which controls all the systems which are connected to the sensors and the OLED display. Ultrasonic sensors
Imran
measures
network
the water
Mila.
level using sound waves. When we have using this ultrasonic sensor, it sends the signals to the water inside our bottle or something. It sends these sound waves which have the how it's measured means it sends the sound waves. It stretches to the ground. When it's bouncing back the wave, it counts the bouncing back rate. When is counting, that shows the percentage of our project. OLED display shows the percentage of our water levels in our tanks and the um, something. A USB cable used for the power supply to the our project ESP32. USB cable will supply power force which is containing 3.3 volt or 5 volts in battery. Then the wires are jumper wires are connected to this project. Thank you.
So, hello everyone. I am explaining how the hardware parts are assembled in our project. First, we connect the ultrasonic sensor to the ESP32 board. The sensor has two main pins, trigger and echo, which send data and receive sound pulses. These pins go to ESP32 GPIO pins. Next, we connect the OLED display. The OLED
ये कस रहा
uses
था उसको
the
वीडियो दिख रहा था
12C
और डाल
communication
डाले
protocol.
मैं डालता ना था क्या स्क्रीन में प्ले करता था नहीं
Hello, करता नहीं बा? हेलो
हेलो.
ये पिचेक स्लेट दाल बा करेक्ट करता हूँ
क्यों?
नहीं कराया नहीं उन्हें बीच में इंटरप्ट कराया So I am explaining that how hardware assembly process. First, we connect the ultrasonic sensor to the ESP32 board. Here, sensor has two pins. One is triggered and another one is echo. First, it send and receive sound pulses. These pins go to the ESP32 GPIO pins. Next, we connect OLED display. The OLED uses the 12C communication protocol, so we only need two wires, SDA and SLL. This makes wiring simple and clean. After all connection done, we power the ESP32 using USB cable. The USB provides enough voltage for both ESP32 and the OLED display. Then we upload the Arduino code to the ESP32 using Arduino IDE. This code read the distance from ultrasonic sensor and send the output to the OLED. At the final, we test the system to check whether the OLED is showing correct distance value. If the sensor reading appears properly, our hardware setup is completed. Next slide. Now I will explain about the connection justification. The ultrasonic sensor work on digital pulses. So connecting to ESP32 GPI pins is correct method. GPIO pins can easily handle trigger and echo signals. The OLED display uses 12C communication, which reduces wiring and increases efficiency. With just two wires, the display can be receive all data from ESP32, and we select the ESP32 because it has built-in Wi-Fi. This gives project option to expand into IoT into the future, such as sending sensor data online. Here also our project only measures distance and show it on OLED. We are not controlling any motor pump or external load, so no relay or pump is needed to the setup. Thank you. Next part will be explained by my friend Mutahir.
Hi, I am Mohammad Mutahir. I am explaining my technical explanation. Ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor sound is the wire where is the water surface and return back. The time taken return tells and destination for the sensor to the water surface. ESP32 microcontroller. It is review the distance value from the sensor. Using the knowledge taken height and calculate how much the water percentage, how much of the tank is filled in percentage. OLED display. Show the water level in centimeter. Show in the percentage of tank filled. Overall system work without technical the water simple accurate and safe method on water level monitor measurement. Conclusion. The project has given an easy and effective for the monitoring water level. No pump real, really are the used only many measurement. The ultrasonic sensor OLED display make it easy to see water level in included. Installed. It is the cost or effect safe and suitable for home water tanks and labs. And thanks. Salman.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
What is an ultrasonic sensor?
Ma'am, ultrasonic sensor, it measures the water level in the tank, ma'am, and it sends the signals to the.
Display, ma'am.
What is ESP32?
Ma'am, it is the main microcontroller which
ESP32 is
helps.
a microcontroller.
distance value of the sensor.
ಏ ಒಬ್ಬಿಲ್ರಪ್ಪ.
Ma'am, it is a microcontroller, ma'am. It is the main core part of the
Salman Khan, ಹೇಳಿಪ್ಪ.
our project, ma'am. Which we
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
can
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
implement the code, and also it can connect the different devices, ma'am, and components.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
Next ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಮುತಾಹಿರ್
Madam.
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ESP32 real distance value of 7 sensor. Using knowledge height and calculate how much water is percentage. How much of the take and filled percent uh, percentage.
What is the difference between actuator and sensor?
What, ma'am?
What is the difference between actuator and sensor?
Ma'am, sensor is a small एक small device which collects the physical
Which collects the data from the physical environment, ma'am.
and convert into the digital form, ma'am.
Signals.
Next.
Actuators acts on the sensor, ma'am.
Ma'am, sensor detect and measure physical changes in the environment. Actuators perform the physical action based on a system command.
Give
ಮತ್ತೆ
two.
ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಂದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಯೇಟರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಇಂದ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
What is the full form of MQTT? Samir? Samir, are you there? ಚಾಟ್ ಜಿಪಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳಿ. MQTP ನಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
MQTT protocols.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕ್ವೀನಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
What do you
Telemetry
mean by message?
ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕ್ವೀನಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲ್.
What do you mean by protocol?
It is a set of rules, ma'am.
set of rules that should be followed.
What are the main components used to this project?
Ma'am,
These components
ESP32.
contain ESP32 ultrasonic sensor and OLED display.
OLED display.
Give the two real life examples.
Aquarium ma'am, fish tank aquarium ma'am, and in home automation ma'am.
Next,
Syntax.
Yasir.
Ma'am.
Next, Salman.
Ma'am, home tank is
ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ma'am, aquaguards, small aquaguards.
Tahir.
ಹಾಂ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಹ್ಮ್
ಫಿಶ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದು ಮೇಡಮ್.
What is the purpose of microcontroller in IoT?
Ma'am, microcontroller which collects the data and performs some functions to the related components, ma'am.
Next,
Distance and value of sensor ಮೇಡಮ್, ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲರ್.
Microcontroller stores the Arduino's code ma'am to perform the action to the our project ma'am.
next. What are the two main components of an ultrasonic sensor?
ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾಸೋನಿಕ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್, OLED ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ.
Samir. Samir.
Samir. Reply, man.
Hang
Ma'am,
ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದ
it
ಏನು bro?
is content the pins ma'am, GPIO pins and the VCC pins ma'am.
What is the minimum range of ultrasonic sensor?
Ma'am,
What is the minimum range?
it contains the GPIO pins and the VCC pins ma'am. Ma'am.
Maximum range?
Yeah ma'am. Yes
Maximum
ma'am.
range? What is the maximum range of an ultrasonic sensor?
50 to 60 meter, ma'am.
In ours project ma'am, 50 to 60 centimeters ma'am.
Minimum?
Its minimum
1 to
should
3
be
centimeter, ma'am.
Where are ultrasonic sensor used in real life?
to detect the distance ma'am. In
Smart vehicles ಒಳಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಒಬ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ.
Smart vehicles ಒಳಗೆ.
Fire events, ma'am. Fire events. In office.
Ma'am. Fire alarm systems.
Next.
Smart vehicles, ma'am. Object detect ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ
School. Colleges.
Hospitals.
ಮತ್ತೆ
Malls.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ robotics and IoT ಒಳಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
What is the main purpose of your project?
Ma'am, to overcome the overflow of water and save water from the over leakage or overflow.
Tahir. Samir.
Ma'am.
What is the main purpose?
Ma'am, to reduce the time scalability, ma'am. It's show on the phone dashboard only, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, thank you.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
ಟೀ
you.
ಐತಾ
Thank
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
you, ma'am.
Assalamu alaikum, Muttu.
ಮುತ್ತುಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದ್ಯಾಸ್
Ray, be